Hi, my name is Nicolas Parking Lot, and my project is the parking lot space reader. Kinda wrong. So the goal was to make a parking space reader that would display the number of spaces available on an LCD screen. Design. The photoresistors in my project will sense a change in light when I put my hand over them, and the LCD will show how many spaces are still available. A green or red LED will also light up depending on if the space is taken or not. Build. I used an Arduino, different types of wires, cardboard photoresistors, an LCD, LEDs, a hot glue gun, resistors, tape, and a breadboard. Program. I used a bunch of different else statements to repeatedly check whether or not the parking space is taken or not. Those are over here. Nope. Test. I tested this about 30 times. One main problem I had was that my project fell when I was almost done with it, so I had to rebuild it. Rethink. If I had more time, I would replace the LEDs with better ones because they're really weak. Play. Demo. So over here, you can't really see it, but the LCD it says available space is 3, and when I cover one of them, it turns to a red light, and then when it's not covered, it's a green light. This one's really bright for some reason, and same with this. It turns red and green, red and green, and then when I cover one, it shows that there's only 2 spaces available. When I cover 2, it shows there's only 1. Any questions?
What was the hardest part about the project?
Okay, the hardest part was figuring out how to program and wire an LED in an Arduino because I wasn't taught how to do it, and none of the mentors knew how to do it. So.
Yep, you're figuring it out.
How did you program the power when you
Oh, the lights? Let's see if it's in here.